Curiosity Chronicle, Annual Magazine 2023-24. Empower your essence, unlock your potential. AR. Perumal Manimukalai Matriculation School, Koneripalli, Shulagiri Taluk, Krishnagiri District.
About School. About Trust. In memory of Chairman's message, Secretary's message, Trustee's message, Director's message, Principal's message, Academic Family Snapshot, School Toppers 2023, House Report, Sports Day, Colors Day, Field Trip, Events, Festivity, Exploring Horizon, Explorers and Leaders, Digital Upskilling, Art and Craft, Grade 10 Imprints, Alumni Achievements. About School. E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School, established in 1997 under the visionary leadership of our beloved founder Chairman E.R. Perumal, is an esteemed member of the PMC Tech Group of institutions. Since its inception, the school has been dedicated to providing quality education and fostering a nurturing environment for students to thrive. In its formative years, E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School opened its doors to students from kindergarten to 7th standard in the academic year 1998-99. With a modest beginning and a clear vision, the school steadily expanded its academic offerings, introducing classes for 8th and 9th standards in 2001-2002. In 2002-2003, another milestone was achieved with the commencement of the 10th standard, further enriching the educational journey of our students. Our commitment to providing quality education is reflected in our experienced faculty, well-designed curriculum, and state-of-the-art facilities, making us a preferred choice for parents seeking a holistic educational experience for their children. The school's curriculum is designed to impart academic knowledge and also focus on developing essential life skills and fostering critical thinking among students. We offer a diverse range of subjects, extracurricular activities, and opportunities for personal growth, ensuring that every student receives a well-rounded education that prepares them for future challenges. E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School stands as a beacon of educational excellence, innovation, and character development. With a rich legacy of nurturing young minds and inspiring futures, we are committed to shaping generations of empowered individuals who will make meaningful contributions to the world. The school continually embraces innovation and integrates technology into the learning process, keeping students abreast of technological advancements prepares them for a digital-centric world. About Trust. E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Telugu Minority Educational and Charitable Trust. PMC Group of Institutions in Hosur is a renowned educational establishment known for delivering high-quality education and nurturing exceptional students who excel in various career paths, contributing significantly to society and the nation. Since its inception in 1996, these institutions have been managed by the E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Telugu Minority Educational and Charitable Trust under the visionary leadership of Shri E.R. Perumal, the founder chairman. PMC Tech Group of Institutions encompasses a matriculation school, an industrial school offering ITI courses, a polytechnic, an engineering college with diverse streams, and MBA, MCA programs for research studies in management computer science. The trust and its leadership are dedicated to achieving excellence in education through continuous applied research and development, aiming to shape well-rounded and responsible citizens. Their vision is to nurture dynamic, competent, innovative, eminent, and delivery-oriented engineers, technologists, and management professionals, thereby contributing to the development of a robust nation. Engineering College, Polytechnic College, Industrial Training Institute, Matriculation School, SWAG. In memory of E.R. Perumal, Founder Chairman. Shri Mathipi Manimekli, Founding Trustee. In honor of our esteemed founder, chairman and founding trustee, whose vision and dedication laid the foundation for our institution's success. The leadership and guidance they provided have shaped the ethos of our school and instilled in us the core values and principles that define our collective journey. As a token of remembrance and gratitude for their invaluable contributions, we dedicate this journal to their memory. Within its pages lie stories of resilience, determination, and unwavering excellence, echoing the spirit and vision of our founder, chairman, and trustee. Their impact is felt through the remarkable achievements of our students, the relentless dedication of our faculty, and our continuous pursuit of academic and moral excellence. As we navigate our journey forward, may the memory of our founder, chairman, and trustee continue to serve as a guiding light, inspiring us to make a positive impact on society. Chairman's message. Our school has always stood as a beacon of excellence, committed to providing quality education and holistic development to our students. At E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School, we believe in nurturing young minds, fostering creativity, and instilling values that will guide our students towards success in all their endeavors. To our students, I encourage you to embrace learning with passion and determination. Your time at E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School is a precious opportunity to explore your interests, expand your horizons, and discover your potential. To the parents, I extend my sincere gratitude for entrusting us with the education well-being of your children. To our dedicated faculty and staff, I commend your tireless efforts and unwavering dedication to our students' success. Together, we will continue to strive for excellence and empower our students to reach new heights of achievement. Shri P. Kumar, Chairman PMC Tech. Secretary's message. The journey of education is a collaborative effort, and as the secretary of our esteemed institution, I am privileged to witness the dedication and enthusiasm of our students, the unwavering support of our parents, and the relentless commitment of our staff. At E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School, we strive to cultivate an environment where every individual is encouraged to explore their potential, embrace challenges, and pursue excellence in all endeavors. Our holistic approach to education encompasses academic success and the development of character, integrity, and leadership qualities essential for success in today's dynamic world. Shri Mathipi Mallar, Secretary and Trustee PMC Tech. Trustee's message. It is with great pleasure that I extend my warmest greetings to all. As stewards of education, our commitment to fostering a dynamic and enriching learning environment remains unwavering. In our pursuit of excellence, we strive to provide a platform that imparts knowledge and instills values, ignites curiosity, and nurtures the potential within each student. We are dedicated to steering the course of education towards a future where our students are well-equipped to meet the challenges of an ever-evolving world. Shri Mathipi Shashirik, Trustee PMC Tech. Director's message. It is my pleasure to address you from the Director's desk at E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School. Our commitment to providing quality education and fostering an environment of continuous learning is at the heart of our mission. As we navigate the educational landscape, we are dedicated to ensuring that every student receives academic excellence and acquires essential life skills. Our focus extends beyond textbooks to holistic development, nurturing talents, and fostering a sense of responsibility. Together, let's create a vibrant and enriching educational experience at E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School. Professor N. Sudhakaran, Director PMC Tech. Principal's message. It is with great pleasure that I extend my warmest greetings to all of you from the Principal's desk at ER. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School. Our commitment to academic excellence, holistic development, and fostering a nurturing educational environment remains unwavering. At ER. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School, we believe in providing quality education that empowers students to reach their full potential. Our dedicated faculty, state-of-the-art facilities, and emphasis on character building contribute to a vibrant learning community. As we embark on this educational journey together, let us continue to uphold the values that define our institution and strive for excellence in all aspects of academic and personal growth. Shri Mathi J. Kailivili, Principal, PMC Tech Matriculation School. School toppers. Grade 10 result 2022 to 2023. First, Navyashri and Vaishnavi. 467 out of 500. 93.4%. Second, Muthu Krishnan. 451 out of 500. 90.2%. Third, Arpita Mishra. 450 out of 500. 90%. House reports. Ruby Red House. The Ruby Red House at ER. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School continues to thrive as a hub of academic and extracurricular excellence. Under the leadership of Captain Rakesh, the house has flourished in fostering a sense of unity and camaraderie. Captain Rakesh's exemplary leadership has inspired fellow students to strive for excellence in all endeavors. Maintaining a disciplined and values-driven environment has been a priority. Captain Rakesh has played a crucial role in fostering an atmosphere of respect and integrity within the house. Ruby Red House has actively participated in sports and cultural events, showcasing not only athletic prowess but also a rich cultural tapestry within the house. The commitment to a well-rounded education is evident in these diverse activities. Ruby Red Captain P. Rakesh. Sapphire Blue House. This academic year, Sapphire Blue House at ER. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School has demonstrated remarkable achievements and a vibrant spirit of collaboration. Captain Adarsh has exhibited exceptional leadership skills throughout the academic year. Sapphire Blue House has shone brightly in cultural and sports activities. From outstanding performances in cultural festivals to victories on the sports field, the house has celebrated a diverse range of talents among its members. The leadership provided by the house captain, along with the support of house members, has fostered a positive and inclusive environment. Teamwork and collaboration have been the cornerstones of Sapphire Blue House. Sapphire Blue Captain S. Adarsh. Emerald Green House. The Emerald Green House at ER. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School has shown remarkable dedication and enthusiasm under the capable leadership of Captain Subhash Bohra. He has been an exemplary leader, fostering a sense of unity and discipline within the house. Our students in the Emerald Green House have shone brightly in sports and extracurricular activities, bringing home numerous trophies and accolades. Their dedication to physical fitness and teamwork is commendable. The house prides itself on instilling strong leadership qualities and discipline among its members. The Emerald Green House leaders have played a crucial role in fostering a sense of responsibility and unity. Emerald Green Captain Subhash Bohra. Citron Yellow House. The Citron Yellow House at E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School has shown remarkable spirit and enthusiasm throughout the academic year. Creativity flourishes within the walls of Citron House. Students explore and express their artistic talents through vibrant cultural performances and imaginative artwork, fostering a culture of creativity and self-expression. The vibrant and positive atmosphere within the Citron Yellow House, fostering a strong sense of belonging and unity among its members. Discipline is the backbone of Citron House. The students uphold a sense of unity, respect, and responsibility, creating an environment that fosters personal and collective growth. Citron Yellow Captain S. Kirthana. Sports Day. In a spectacular display of athleticism and camaraderie, ERPMM School hosted its annual Sports Day on 29 December 2023. Students from KG to 10th standard showcased their talents in various sports, including cricket, shot put, relay, kho-kho, and volleyball, leaving a lasting impression. The vibrant atmosphere was filled with excitement as participants gave their best performances in the different events. The success of the Sports Day is a testament to the school's commitment to holistic development, fostering a spirit of competition, teamwork, and discipline among its students.
Yeah. Here we go. I remember back when I was young and clever and no one knew my name. But nowadays we only talk about the weather and nothing seems to change. Legends, we were born to be legends. Just a matter of your dreams. Legends.
Colors Day Celebration. Yellow Day Celebration. Celebrated on 11th January 2023 and 22nd July 2023. Yellow wakes me up in the morning. Yellow gets me on the bike every day. Yellow has taught me the true meaning of sacrifice. Principle of the activity. Yellow color in physics, light in the wavelength range of 570 to 580 nanometer. Yellow is the color of optimism, glory, sunshine and happiness. Beams of yellow shades carried the promise of a positive future, flashing creative thoughts in the young minds. Goal of the activity. ERPMM School celebrated Yellow Day. A day dedicated to the color yellow was marked with cheerful children attired in different hues and tints of yellow outfits and sparkling with optimism, enlightenment and happiness. Children were beautifully dressed in their favorite yellow dresses but also brought yellow objects to make it a complete Yellow Day. The teachers were beaming with pride when the confident little commentators described the yellow object with flair and ease. The children enjoyed the activity and made the learning event active and sporty. Benchmark criteria. Decked in yellow we are mellow, and the students celebrated the yellow color day with ecstasy, joy and happiness. The color of wisdom and intellectual energy had a positive influence on our tender thoughts. Green Day celebration celebrated on 15th February 2023. Green is the color of balance, harmony, and renewal. It represents growth, freshness, and the promise of new beginnings. Principle of the activity. Green represents purity, innocence, light, and goodness. It is the color of perfection, nature, and energy, which is closely associated with meanings of growth, freshness, harmony, fertility, and environment. Goal of the activity. ERPMM school motive of celebrating Green Day was to make the students aware of how color makes our world a better place and its significance. Students looked gorgeous and enthusiastic in their astonishing green attires. Classrooms and boards were decorated with green-colored objects, giving a graceful appeal to the environment. Students participated in making the green tree by handprint as a takeaway and participated in the plantation activity. Benchmark criteria. They enjoyed their activity and performed enthusiastically. It was indeed a fun-filled learning day for our little ones. They enjoyed the green color day, which was fun and informative to the little inquisitive minds of our school. Blue Day celebration. Celebrated on 18 February 2023. Let the blue sky meet the blue sea, and all is blue for a time. Principle of the activity. Blue color in physics, the wavelength range of the approx 450 to 495 nanometer. Blue, the color of loyalty, confidence, strength, wisdom, intelligence, and trust. Goal of the activity. ERPMM school celebrated Blue Day. Blue Day was an amazing learning experience which had a long-lasting effect on each student. It was indeed a visual treat to see the good effects of blue color on our little ones. Encourage students, teachers, to dress in various shades of blue. This adds to the festive spirit but also creates a sense of unity and participation. Organize a craft station to enhance their creativity but also serves as a wonderful keepsake from Blue Day. Benchmark criteria. The memories created during such events stay with children for a lifetime, fostering a positive and engaging learning environment. All students celebrated Blue Day. It was a pleasant and cool Blue Day for the kids. All the students, including teachers, came dressed in blue as well as the decorated floor to give the Blue Day feel. Recognition of blue color was done. White Day celebration celebrated on 29th June 2023. White is like a blank page, offering endless possibilities and inviting us to create something beautiful. Principle of activity. White color stands for peace, purity, innocence, light, and goodness. White Day could be to organize a serene and elegant gathering with loved ones. The goal of the activity. ERPMM school motive of celebrating White Day was to make the students aware of the color white. Decorate the space in white, incorporating elements like white flowers, candles, or creating DIY white-themed crafts together. Encouraged students to wear white attire to enhance the theme. The day continued with doing given creative activities. Benchmark criteria. It was an amazing learning experience which had a long-lasting effect on each student. Students were excited to come on White Day along with the white object that they carried. All the students were happy and enjoyed to the fullest. Orange Day celebration. Celebrated on 30th July 2023. In the evening, just before sunset, the sun turns into a huge, fascinating orange ball. It's one of the most beautiful hours of the day. Principle of activity. Orange in physics, light in the wavelength range of 585 to 620 nanometers in the visible spectrum. Orange is the color of connection, a sense of community, belonging, and social aspects of being. Saffron is also one of the three colors in the Indian flag, signifying courage and selflessness. India has a history of brave and loyal freedom fighters. Saffron indicates the strength of this nation, and it will to give away all for the benefit of its people. Goal of the activity: ER.P.M.M.SC who celebrated Orange Day. A day dedicated to the color orange sounds vibrant and exciting. It's likely a day filled with orange-themed activities, decorations, and possibly even orange-colored costumes or outfits. A high level of involvement from both students and staff in dressing up in orange attire, attending activities, and engaging in the festivities. Benchmark criteria: everything is bursting with brightness and liveliness. The school environment itself radiates a warm and energetic atmosphere, fostering a sense of excitement and camaraderie among everyone. Purple Day Celebration. Celebrated on 25th August 2023. Purple is the color of royalty and wealth, symbolizing power, luxury, and extravagance. Principle of the activity: purple in physics is the combination of blue and red in the context of additive color mixing. Purple, the color that represents the future, the imagination and dreams, spiritually calming the emotions. Goal of the activity: ER.P.M.M.SC whole celebrating the Purple Day. It represents both lavender, which is often associated with calmness. Painting activities and coloring worksheets help children to explore their creativity. Sorting activity help children to identify and differentiate various color. Encourage the students and staffs to wear purple color dress and accessories to enrich the day. All the students were engaged in purple-themed art activities. Benchmark criteria: Purple Day celebrations prompted the young ones to think how color enhances and influences our lives. It turned out to be a remarkable day filled with fun and enthusiasm. Field trip. A Wayne dairy plant. On 10th January 2023, students from 6th to 10th standard had the opportunity to visit the Avin Milk Factory in Krishnagiri. This visit offered them valuable insights into the dairy industry and its operations. During the trip, students had the chance to observe the entire milk processing journey, starting from the collection of raw milk to its final packaging. They learned about the importance of hygiene and quality control measures in dairy production, as well as the technological advancements used in modern dairy processing plants. Furthermore, interacting with professionals and workers at the factory gave students the opportunity to ask questions and gain insights into potential career paths in the dairy industry. Overall, the field trip to the Avin Milk Factory was educational, engaging, and memorable for the students, leaving a lasting impact on their understanding of dairy production processes and related industries. Book Fair. In a vibrant display of enthusiasm for literature, on the 10th of July 2023, students ranging from 6th to 10th standard embarked on an enriching journey to the vibrant book fair held in Hosur. This excursion provided them with a wonderful opportunity to delve into the captivating world of literature, explore diverse genres, and expand their horizons. The book fair at Hosur proved to be a literary paradise, with numerous stalls adorned with an extensive collection of books catering to various interests and age groups. From timeless classics to contemporary gems, educational resources to captivating novels, the fair had something for every book lover. As the day concluded and the students returned to their school, they carried with them not just books but also a newfound appreciation for literature, a broader perspective on different cultures and ideas, and cherished memories of a day well spent exploring the enchanting realm of words. On the 20th of July, our enthusiastic 8th to 10th grade students embarked on an educational journey to the Nehru Planetarium in Bangalore. The visit provided them with a captivating experience, enhancing their understanding of astronomy and space sciences. This insightful trip was designed to broaden their understanding of astronomy and space exploration. They engaged in interactive sessions, captivating planetarium shows, and hands-on activities that ignited their curiosity about the universe. Following this, on the 21st of July, our 6th and 7th grade students also had the opportunity to explore the wonders of the universe at Nehru Planetarium. This experience enriched their scientific knowledge and sparked a passion for discovery and learning. The trip aimed to inspire curiosity and foster a deeper appreciation for the mysteries of the cosmos. Jain Farm. On the 6th of January 2023, an exciting excursion was organized for students and teachers to visit the renowned Jain Farm located in Bangalore. The day began early as eager students and teachers gathered at the designated meeting point. After a brief introduction and orientation, everyone boarded the transport arranged for the journey. As the vehicle set off towards Bangalore, the air was filled with anticipation and excitement. Upon arrival at Jain Farm, the serene ambience and lush green surroundings immediately captivated the attention of the visitors. The farm's staff warmly welcomed the group, initiating a series of engaging activities and informative sessions. Apart from the educational aspect, the excursion also included recreational activities to unwind and bond as a group. Fun games, nature walks, and team-building exercises were organized, fostering camaraderie and creating lasting memories for everyone involved. The Jain Farm excursion expanded their knowledge and inspired them to adopt eco-friendly practices and appreciate the wonders of nature. It served as a reminder of the importance of experiential learning and the invaluable lessons that can be gained from exploring the world beyond classroom walls. Vatika Resort. On the vibrant day of 25th November 2023, an unforgettable excursion was meticulously organized for the students and teachers of ERPMM School, venturing into the serene realms of Vatika Club Resort nestled in the enchanting locale of Bangalore. The excursion was not just a mere getaway, it was a holistic experience aimed at fostering camaraderie, relaxation, and learning beyond the classroom walls. The students participated in various outdoor games and sports activities organized by the resort's staff, fostering teamwork and camaraderie among them. The day outing to Vatika by ERPMM School was a recreational event and a memorable experience that strengthened bonds, fostered a sense of unity, and rejuvenated everyone for the days ahead. Overall, the excursion to Vatika Club Resort was a resounding success, leaving us with cherished memories and a sense of togetherness that will stay with us for a long time. Titan Time Park. On 21st July 2023, our young learners from kindergarten to 2nd grade embarked on an exciting educational trip to the Titan Time Park in Hosur. The trip was a blend of fun and learning, offering our students a unique opportunity to explore the wonders of science and technology in a captivating environment. During their visit, the students engaged in interactive exhibits and hands-on activities that sparked their curiosity and imagination. The Titan Time Park provided a stimulating environment where our students learned about the intricacies of time and technology, developed essential skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and teamwork. Events. Quiz Competition. On 8th November 2023, ERPMM School hosted an engaging quiz competition tailored for students from 1st to 10th grade. The competition was structured with a total of 8 rounds, each designed to test and enhance different academic and cognitive skills. Round 1, Tamil. This round aimed to assess students' proficiency and understanding of the Tamil language. Round 2, English. Students showcased their command of the English language, including vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension skills. Round 3, Mathematics. Mathematical prowess was put to the test, covering various topics and problem-solving abilities. Round 4, Science. The science round delved into scientific concepts, experiments, and discoveries, stimulating scientific thinking. Round 5, Social Studies. Knowledge of history, geography, civics, and culture was explored in this round, fostering a well-rounded understanding of the world. Round 6, Audio and Visual. Utilizing multimedia, this round challenged students to identify and interpret information presented through audio and visual aids. Round 7, Riddles. Critical thinking and lateral problem-solving skills were honed as students tackled intriguing riddles. Round 8, General Knowledge. The final round encompassed a broad spectrum of general knowledge topics, testing students' awareness and understanding beyond the academic curriculum. The competition was segmented into 3 batches to ensure appropriate challenge levels and fair competition. Batch 1 grades 1, 2 and 3. Batch 2 grades 4, 5 and 6. Batch 3 grades 7, 8, 9 and 10. Such events provide a platform for academic growth and encourage teamwork, sportsmanship, and a thirst for knowledge among students. The quiz competition at ERPMM School was a testament to fostering a holistic educational experience. Rangoli Events. Grade 4 to Grade 9. ER Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School hosted a Rangoli competition to facilitate the creativity, cultural heritage, and community engagement. Encouraged the participants to explore new ideas, techniques, and materials in Rangoli design, fostering innovation and pushing the boundaries of traditional art forms. Mehendi Festival. The intricate art of Mehendi traditional. ERPMM School immerse us into the mesmerizing world of Mehendi, where tradition meets artistry from the selection of natural henna ingredients to the intricate techniques used to create stunning designs. Our students, from grade 1 to grade 9, discover how Mehendi has evolved in the modern world. To explore the influence of fashion, our henna designers reflect the technology and globalize the celebrity-inspired designs into temporary tattoos. As we journey through these pages, may all of us be inspired by the timeless beauty and cultural blend of modern henna fest, and also as it fades, may it symbolize love and happiness. Carrom. Mastering Carrom, the ultimate guide to success. ERPMMS welcomes to the captivating world of Carrom, a game that combines skill, strategy, and finesse. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take our future champions on a journey through the fundamentals of Carrom, from the basic rules to advanced techniques that will elevate game to new heights. Understand the different types of shots, including the striker, the Carrom men, and the queen, and familiarize yourself with the rules-governing gameplay. Objective of the game. As we embark on Carrom adventure, embrace the simplicity and beauty of the game, and revel in the joy of real-life interactions with family, friends, and fellow enthusiasts. Whether you're aiming for the championship title or simply enjoying a leisurely match with loved ones, let Carrom be a source of laughter, connection, and cherished memories for years to come. Chess, the royal game of strategy in real life. ERPMMS making everyone to enter the world of chess, where every move counts and strategic thinking reigns supreme. Chess teaches us the art of strategic thinking, the ability to anticipate our opponent's moves, devise a plan of action, and adjust our strategy as the game unfolds. Chess demands unwavering focus and concentration, training the mind to remain present and attentive to the task at hand. Explore how facing challenges on the chessboard can build character, instill perseverance, and teach valuable lessons about overcoming adversity in real life. Objective of the game. As we embark on our journey through the world of chess, may we embrace the lessons learned on the board and carry them forward into every aspect of our life. Whether you're a novice or a grandmaster, may the game of chess continue to enrich our mind, nourish our soul, and inspire ourselves to make our best move both on and off the board. Hopscotch game for kids. LKG and UKG. A timeless game for all ages. One of the most cherished aspects of hopscotch is its ability to bring people together. Whether played alone or with friends, hopscotch fosters social interaction and camaraderie. Players take turns, cheer each other on, and celebrate victories together, creating bonds and memories that last a lifetime. Moreover, hopscotch transcends language and cultural barriers, making it a universal language of joy and friendship. Festivity. Educational Development Day. Intelligence plus character is the goal of true education. On 15th July, ERPMM School celebrated Education Development Day, marking the birthday of Karmveera Kamarajar. The event was a vibrant display of talent and homage to Kamarajar's legacy. Students took on roles depicting Kamarajar's life and contributions, showcasing their acting prowess through skits. The air was filled with melodious tunes as students participated in singing competitions, capturing the essence of education and progress. Additionally, students exhibited their writing skills through insightful essays, reflecting on Kamarajar's vision for education and its impact on society. Overall, the celebration was a testament to the school's commitment to academic excellence and character development. As a gesture of remembrance and gratitude, a special midday meal was provided for all students. Independence Day. On the 15th of August 2023, PMC Tech celebrated the 77th Independence Day with great fervor and enthusiasm. The day was filled with memorable events and performances by students from kindergarten to grade 10, showcasing their talents and skills. The celebrations kicked off with flag hosting and patriotic speeches, setting the tone for a day of unity and pride. Students from different grades came together to present a vibrant array of performances, including various forms of dance representing the rich cultural diversity of the nation. The event not only highlighted the artistic abilities of the students but also served as a platform for fostering a sense of patriotism and appreciation for the country's heritage and freedom struggle. Parents, teachers, and guests were thoroughly impressed by the dedication and creativity displayed by the young performers. Overall, the 77th Independence Day celebration at PMC Tech was a remarkable and unforgettable experience, leaving a lasting impact on everyone involved and reinforcing the spirit of unity and national pride among the students and the school community. multicultural festivity of knowledge and tradition. On a vibrant day at ERPMM School, the air was filled with festivities as the school celebrated Teachers' Day, Onam, and Krishna Janmashtami all at once. The kindergarten students stole hearts as they transformed into adorable little Krishnas and Radhas, adding a touch of innocence and joy to the occasion. The school was adorned with beautiful rangoli made of colorful flowers, symbolizing the spirit of Onam and the vibrant cultural heritage it represents. Adding to the excitement, the children took the lead in encouraging teachers to join in the festivities. It was a delightful sight to see teachers and students coming together, sharing laughter and creating cherished memories on this special day. It was a day filled with love, laughter, and appreciation for teachers, the essence of Onam's warmth, and the spiritual significance of Krishna Janmashtami, making it a truly unforgettable experience for everyone involved. Christmas Day. On 24th December, ERPMM School radiated with the joyous spirit of Christmas. The day was filled with delightful programs, including soul-stirring Christmas carols sung by our talented students and a heartfelt Christmas message that resonated with the essence of the season. Adding a touch of enchantment, PMC Tech student donned the iconic Santa Claus attire, spreading laughter and delight among our students. As the celebrations reached their peak, a delicious Christmas cake was shared with our students, symbolizing unity, joy, and the spirit of giving that defines this beautiful season. Kids Fantasy Fashion Fiesta. On the auspicious occasion of Kids Fantasy Fashion Fiesta Day celebrated on 22nd February 2024, our esteemed trustee, Shri Mathipi Malar, and our beloved Ms. Achaya Dharene alongside our director, Professor N. Sudhakaran, our respected Polytechnic Principal, Professor N. Balasubramaniam, and our beloved Principal Shrimanti J. Kailavili and supportive parents, graced the event to uplift and applaud our talented students. It was a delightful spectacle as students from KG to Grade 2 enthusiastically participated, displaying their creativity and skills. Dressed as police officers, doctors, army personnel, soldiers, and even as helpers of vegetables and fruits, the students not only showcased their imaginative costumes but also captivated everyone with their captivating performances. Their dedication and effort were truly commendable. The event culminated with a heartwarming gesture as the students were honored with certificates, marking their achievements and contributions to making the day truly memorable. Indeed, Kids Fantasy Fashion Fiesta Day was an unforgettable experience, highlighting the immense talent and enthusiasm of our young learners.
In the dark until I found you, I didn't know that I was lost until I found you. Until I found you. Until I found you.
Exploring Horizon. Clever Buds Junction Fest. The Clever Buds Junction Fest held on 10th October at ERPMM School was a vibrant showcase of talent and creativity by students from kindergarten to grade 2. The event, attended by parents and teachers, was a testament to the young minds' enthusiasm and dedication. The festival featured a variety of activities that allowed students to exhibit their skills and abilities. One of the highlights was the engaging drama performances, where students brought stories to life with their expressive acting and stage presence. The audience was captivated by the confidence and creativity displayed by these budding actors. Another exciting aspect of the festival was the rhymes and storytelling segment, where students enchanted everyone with their rhythmic recitations and imaginative storytelling. Their ability to engage the audience and convey emotions through words was truly impressive. The Clever Buds Junction Fest was a resounding success, celebrating the diverse talents of our students and providing them with a platform to shine. It was a joyous occasion filled with laughter, applause, and a sense of pride for everyone involved. Classy Team Expo. On 7th February and 8th February, ERPMM school buzzed with enthusiasm as the Classy Team Expo unfolded, showcasing the exceptional talents and efforts of its students across various subjects including Tamil, English, Maths, Science, and Social Studies. The event was graced by esteemed guests including our Honorable Chairman, Shri P. Kumar, and our esteemed Trustee Shri Mathi P. Mallar, beloved Miss Sachya Dharene, our Director and respected Principals of Engineering, Polytechnic, and ITI, along with dedicated faculty members from various streams as well as students from the Polytechnic and ITI department. The expo provided a platform for students to exhibit their knowledge, skills, and creativity through a range of engaging activities and displays. From innovative science projects to eloquent literary presentations, the event highlighted the holistic development fostered at ERPMM School. The presence of parents added a layer of encouragement and appreciation, reinforcing the students' confidence and motivation. Their support and participation were instrumental in making the expo a resounding success. Throughout the expo, students were able to showcase their academic prowess and hone their teamwork, communication, and presentation skills, laying a strong foundation for their future endeavors. Tamil Expo. Tamil Poetry Recitation Competition. Storytelling sessions in Tamil, focusing on traditional tales or contemporary stories. Tamil language games or quizzes. Display of Tamil literature books and their significance. Traditional Tamil music or dance performances. English Expo. English debate competition on current affairs or literary topics. Dramatic performances of scenes from famous English plays or novels. Spelling bee contest. Creative writing workshop where participants craft short stories or poems. Presentation sessions on famous English authors or literary movements. Maths Expo. Math problem solving competition. Math games and puzzle station. Workshop on mathematical concepts and techniques. Presentation on famous mathematicians and their contributions. Real-world application of math principles such as budgeting or geometric constructions. Science Expo. Hands-on science experiments allowing participants to explore scientific principles. Science fair where students showcase their science projects. Demonstrations of interesting scientific phenomena. Interactive workshops on specific branches of science, example physics, chemistry, biology. Science quiz covering various topics such as biology, chemistry, physics, and environmental science. Social Studies Expo. Historical reenactments of key events or figures. Display of historical artifacts or replicas. Discussions or debates on significant historical or social issues. Geography quiz focusing on world maps, countries, and capitals. Cultural exhibition showcasing diverse traditions, customs, and lifestyles from different regions. At the end of the event, the Classy Team Expo celebrated academic excellence, but also emphasized the importance of collaboration, creativity, and continuous learning, embodying the spirit of ERPMM school commitment to holistic education. Explorers and leaders. Scout and Guide. ஓசூர் ER பெருமாள் மணிமேகலை மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் பள்ளியில் பாரத சாரணர் மற்றும் சாரணியர் இயக்கம் தொடக்க விழா. ஓசூர் ER பெருமாள் மணிமேகலை மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் பள்ளியில் பாரத சாரணர் இயக்கம் பிப்ரவரி 28, 2024 ஆம் தேதி தொடக்க விழா நடைபெற்றது. இந்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு BMC டெக் கல்வி நிறுவனத்தின் தலைவர் திரு P. குமார் தலைமை தாங்கினார். செயலாளர் திருமதி P. மலர் குத்துவிளக்கு ஏற்றி துவக்கி வைத்தார். இயக்குனர் திரு N. சுதாகரன், ஓசூர் கல்வி மாவட்டம் சாரணர் இயக்கத்தின் செயலாளர் திரு G. சந்திரா ரெட்டி, பொருளாளர் திரு K. P. ரமேஷ், அரிமா டாக்டர் Y. V. S. ரெட்டி, மாவட்ட சாரணர் அமைப்பு ஆணையர் திரு ஈஸ்வரர் ராவ் மற்றும் மாவட்ட சாரணியர் அமைப்பு ஆணையர் திருமதி B. சாந்தி, BMMS பள்ளி முதல்வர் திருமதி J. கயல்விழி இந்நிகழ்ச்சியில் கலந்து கொண்டு வாழ்த்துரை வழங்கினார்கள். சாரணர் இயக்கத்தின் ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர் திருமதி R. பவித்ரா, சாரணியர் இயக்கத்தின் ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர் செல்வி S. ஹேமலதா, பள்ளி ஆசிரியர்கள் மற்றும் மாணவ செல்வங்கள் பாரத சாரணர் இயக்க தொடக்க விழாவில் பங்கேற்றனர். ER பெருமாள் மணிமேகலை மெட்ரிக் பள்ளி சார்பில் வாழ்த்து. மார்ச் 8, 2024 அன்று ஓசூர் ஸ்ரீ சோமேஸ்வரர் ஆலயத்தில் நமது சாரணியர் இயக்க மாணவர்கள் சேவை மனப்பான்மையுடன் பணியாற்றினர். உங்கள் குழந்தையின் சுறுசுறுப்பான ஈடுபாடு இந்த பயணத்தை பிரகாசமாக்குவதற்கும் பொறுப்பின் உண்மையான சாரத்தை உள்ளடக்குவதற்கும் அர்ப்பணிப்பின் தொடுதலைச் சேர்த்தது. Student Election 2024. ER Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School welcomes all the students to the election 2024, emphasizing the importance of student engagement and leadership within the school community. Highlight the recent School Pupil Leader (SPL) and Assistant School Pupil Leader (ASPL) elections. Important dates. Nomination process 6th February 2024. Campaigning 10th February 2024. Election Day 12th February 2024. Election Result 14th February 2024. Candidate Profiles. Candidate provided profiles of the 3 students from the 9th grade who were running for SPL and the 10 students from the 8th grade who were vying for ASPL positions. These profiles showcased their qualifications, aspirations, and campaign platforms. Candidate Information. Student Pupil Leader, SPL, Mr. K. Sanjeev, Ms. Jaya Pandey, Mr. Shak Sameer. Assistant Student Pupil Leader, ASPL, Ms. S. Devya Priya, Mr. P. Rakesh, Ms. Komal Mishra, Mr. Perarasu M, Mr. Siddharth S, Ms. Trishala M, Ms. N. Kirthna, Ms. Hashini C, Mr. Subhash Bohra, Mr. Adarsh S. Nomination Process. The nomination process that took place on 6th February 2024 in front of the returning officer, outlining the procedures followed for candidate registration and acceptance of nominations. During this process, the nominated candidate, based on fulfilling experience, pledged as part of our platform in front of the returning officer. Campaigning efforts. Campaign materials and detailed campaigning activities undertaken by the candidates, including canvassing among school students from LKG to grade 10 and staff within the school premises. In a bid to promote collaboration and unity within our institution, 13 dedicated nominators recently undertook a noteworthy campaign. Their mission, to connect with our esteemed chairman, revered trustees, and esteemed principals across the engineering, polytechnic, and ITI departments. additional outreach efforts to nearby ER Perumal Manimekalai Engineering Colleges, ER Perumal Manimekalai Polytechnic Colleges, and ER Perumal Manimekalai ITI within the college premises to garner support for the candidates. Election Day. On the day of the election on 12/0/24, a polling station was opened at our school to accommodate voting for the election of the SPL and ASPL positions. We encouraged everyone to come to the school and cast their votes to support our students. Polling station ER Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School. Timing 11:00 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. We ensured the smooth conduct of the election process and the active participation of students in exercising their voting rights. For polling, we embraced innovative methods, including the use of the traditional ballot voting method for the SPL position and electronic voting machine for the ASPL position. PMC families and students' involvement. Feature perspectives from students who participated in the election process, sharing their experiences and thoughts on the candidates and the democratic process. Newly elected leaders. Jaya Pandey School Pupil Leader SPL. Komal Mishra Assistant School Pupil Leader. Newly nominated presiders. English Elegant Feeder Trishala M. Tamil Ilkya Thalevi Hashini C. Maths Calculus Hero Siddharth S. Science Lab Wizards. Devpriya. Social Savants Warrior Perarasu M. Sapphire Blue Captain Adarsh S. Emerald Green Captain Subhash Bohra. Ruby Red Captain Prakesh. Citron Yellow Captain Kirthana. Ramreel Monitor Shak Samir. Athletic Ace RK Sanjeev. Reflection and next steps. Reflect on the significance of the election outcome for the school community and its implications for student governance and representation. Encourage the elected leaders to uphold their campaign promises and work collaboratively with their peers and school administration to address student concerns and promote positive change. Conclude with a message of congratulations to the winners and gratitude to all candidates for their participation in the democratic process. Reiterate the importance of continued student engagement and activism in shaping the future of Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School. By documenting the key events and outcomes of the SPL and ASPL elections, this article celebrates the spirit of democracy and student leadership within the school while inspiring future generations to actively participate in civic activities. Digital upskilling. Artificial intelligence. PMC Tech intending more with 1M 1B who have school, ITI and diploma level suitable action plans facilitating students' orientation sessions, online various technical courses and individual certificates of IBM CSR platform. Skills Build program and orientation session on generative AI in collaboration with IBM. Arranged by Mr. Krishnan MS. Manager, Institute Industry Interaction Cell. PMC Tech. First of such activity arranged a program on 2nd November 2023 for the students of ER Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School. Our students from grade 6 to 9 participated IBM CSR platform. This first step towards providing professional global certificates from IBM Skills Build available to all students and teachers of our school. This orientation program on AI for our students had the opportunity to learn about AI, its applications, impact, use of IBM Skills Build platform and opportunities to earn rewards and recognitions. This session was interactive and engaging, enabling students to gain a comprehensive understanding of AI through hands-on activities. 1M1B Sustainability Club. ER Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School, PMC Tech, Hosur, on 19 February 2024 formally inaugurated IBM-bannered 1M1B Sustainability Club. Sustainability Club is an innovative, eco-minded, economically and socially sustainable students' activities that supports practices like green energy, water harvesting, etc. Post-inauguration, the institution formed below task force to execute the project bannered Change Your Habit, Stop Using Plastic in the Purview of Good Health and Well-Being Global Goals 3 for Sustainable Development. 1M1B had awareness review sessions and in a week's time intends to have final inspection, rewards and awards. Event. This event would explore the integration of emerging technologies like AI, generative AI, and sustainability in education on 28 March 2024. UVPEP. UVPEP Innovation organized an exclusive Innovation-Based Course, IBC, workshop at ER Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School, Hosur on 22 November 2023. The session was based on the foundation of practical science, design thinking, coding, mechatronics, automation and robotics. The innovation-based course aims to nurture and build innovators for India by enhancing students' focus on acquiring 21st century skills. These skills are essential for students as it helps them to innovate, design, build and connect with technology effortlessly. The knowledge gained through the experiments, its execution, and intricacies were received well by students, school administration, and other faculty members. By the end of the workshop, students were able to build a basic prototype of an electric car. Art and craft. Drawing. Creative Flourish, drawing competition at our school. On 6 December 2024, our school witnessed a burst of artistic talent as students from grade 1 to grade 9 showcased their creativity in a spirited drawing competition. The competition brought together budding artists who passionately depicted a wide range of themes and ideas through their artwork. From vibrant nature scenes to imaginative abstract compositions, each piece reflected the unique perspectives and talents of our young artists. This event not only showcased the artistic prowess of our students but also highlighted the importance of nurturing creativity and self-expression in education. It served as a reminder of the power of art to inspire, connect, and enrich our lives. Craft. celebrating artistic brilliance. In a vibrant display of creativity and talent, students from grades 7 to 9 dazzled us with their artistic talents by presenting an array of beautifully crafted wall hangings and intricate origami paper crafts. The college cafeteria transformed into an art gallery, adorned with colorful and imaginative pieces that reflected the students' dedication and passion for art. Each creation was a testament to their artistic flair and unique perspectives, showcasing a wide range of themes and techniques. Throughout the month of January, our young artists poured their hearts into their work, producing stunning pieces that showcased their unique perspectives and artistic abilities. The college hostel mess was transformed into a vibrant gallery, where faculty members and guests were captivated by the creativity and skill displayed by our talented students.
Sometimes it's hard to focus, just to persevere and just to make it. But everything that's within your grasp, you gotta take it, you gotta go hard and just dig deeper inside you to find that method, that mode that wants that hunger to survive, just to ride the grind, to take it the way you gotta take it and never stop.
I came to win, yeah, I came to win. I came to win, yeah, I came to win. I came to win, yeah, I came to win.
Grade 10 imprints. Alumni achievements. Miss V. Rajlakshmi B.Tech. Data Analyst, Canada. 2007 batch. I am proud to share that E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School holds a special place in my heart, as it's not only where I completed my schooling but also where I earned my B.Tech degree in Information Technology in PMC Tech. Now, as a data analyst at TELUS International in Canada, I owe a significant part of my success to the well-rounded learning experiences and solid foundation that E.R. Perumal Matriculation School offered. It's truly a nurturing environment that cultivates growth and success both academically and professionally.
Dr. K. Chandramohan MBBS, MD, IDCCM. Dr. Bangalore. 2007 batch. I am Dr. Chandramohan K. MBBS, MD, IDCCM alumni of E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School. This is where I started my journey, and today where I am is all because of the foundation laid by my beloved teachers. Thank you for everything, and I am proud to say that an alumni of PMC.
Miss M. Meena B.Tech. Software Engineer, Bangalore. 2006 batch. I am M. Meena Murthy, a B.Tech IT graduate currently working as a software engineer in an MNC. E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School is very dear to me as it is where my educational journey began. I am grateful for the guidance and opportunities it offered, which have shaped my academic path. Alumni achievements. Dr. M. Shilpa MBBS. Dr. Bangalore. 2008 batch. I am Shilpa Murthy, MBBS, working as a senior emergency doctor at Apollo Hospital. My educational journey began at E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School, which provided a solid foundation and ultimately shaped me into the prestigious doctor I am today. I am grateful for the transformative experience and the supportive environment at my alma mater. Miss S. Hamlatha DCE, B.Tech. Teacher. E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School. 2020 batch. I began my educational journey at E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School, started my journey up to the 10th standard. During my time there, I honed my skills and developed my personality, preparing me to contribute meaningfully to society. Subsequently, I enrolled in PMC Polytechnique for college, where I was honored with the Best Student Award in 2022. Currently, I am proud to be working as a teacher at E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School, continuing my journey of learning and imparting knowledge to others. Our prestigious alumni. Miss N. Chandrakanta B. Software Developer, Bangalore. 2010 batch. Dr. S. Susila MD Surgery. Siddha Physician, Mettar. 2007 batch.
Mr. N. Hari Narayana, B. Technical Designer, Bangalore. 2007 batch. Dr. S. Susiraj MBBS. Dr. Hosur. 2007 batch.
Miss S. Susimitra BPT. Physiotherapist, Hosur. 2007 batch.
Mr. V. Nandhikesh B. Lecturer, E.R. Perumal Manimekalai ITI. 2011 batch.
As a part of E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Telugu Minority Educational and Charitable Trust provides educational courses. The following courses we offer in Engineering College. BE B.Tech. BE Aeronautical Engineering. B.Tech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. BE Civil Engineering. BE Computer Science Engineering. B.Tech Computer Science and Businesses System. BE Chemical Engineering. BE Electronics and Communication Engineering. B.Tech Information Technology. BE Mechanical Engineering. BE Mechatronics. BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering. The Research Center for the Department Electrical and Electronics Engineering was recognized by Anna University, Chennai. MEM Tech. ME Aeronautical Engineering. M.Tech Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. ME Applied Electronics. ME Computer Science Engineering. ME Engineering Design. ME Power Electronics and Drives. Master of Business Administration. Master of Computer Application. The following courses we offer in Polytechnique College. Diploma in Agricultural Engineering. Diploma in Artificial and Machine Learning. Diploma in Chemical Engineering. Diploma in Civil Engineering. Diploma in Computer Science Engineering. Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Diploma in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Diploma in Fashion Technology. Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Diploma in Mechanical Tool and Die. Diploma in Electronics Robotics. Diploma in Hotel Management and Catering Technology. The following courses we offer in Industrial Training Institute. National Council of Vocational Training NCVT. NCVT Electrician Fitter Mechanic Motor Vehicle MMV. State Council of Vocational Training SCVT. SCVT Automobile Mechanic Fitter Electrical Technician. PMC Tech Group of Institutions. E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Matriculation School. E.R. Perumal Manimekalai ITI. E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Polytechnic College, E.R. Perumal Manimekalai Engineering College. Thank you.